So hearing loss is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's reduced hearing in one or two ears. It's an extremely common condition. It's very untreated in Australia. It affects up to 1 in 2 Australians over the age of 60. And the reason why it's untreated a lot of the time is it's very gradual and it's very difficult for someone to kind of pick up that they have hearing loss. A lot of the time you're not going to wake up the next day and feel like you have hearing loss, and that's one of the big reasons why it's untreated. Just because you have hearing loss doesn't mean that all of a sudden you can't hear anything at all. You might have some sounds that you hear properly, other sounds that you're not hearing as well, and a lot of the time that relates to clarity of speech. So a lot of the clients that I see with hearing loss, they complain more about clarity of speech, or they can hear people when they speak, but they can't quite catch on to what they're saying. It's extremely frustrating, and we can help in a lot of the times we can help with hearing loss.